Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me today. I can't believe it, but it's the 1st of November, so it's time to share our November 2022 new subscription items. I'm so excited. I always love the first of the month, and I'm going to start with our stamp of the month. So if you subscribe to the stamp of the month, you're going to get this adorable 4x6 stamp set delivered to you just after the 10th of the month. If you haven't subscribed, this is a great month to do it. This is one of my favorites of the year, I think. This is called Cuckoo Clock, and it has this really cute cuckoo clock here, and you can decorate your clock with all of these little critters and characters. So you can have the little birds coming out the top here. You can put the gnomes on the side, or perhaps some trees and a little bear. We've got a squirrel and an acorn that you can put on the sides, a flower, mushroom, all the things that can make this cuckoo clock really adorable and unique. We've got a couple of sentiments that go with it. I'm cuckoo for you. It's time to celebrate. I cherish each moment with you. Apologize for the blue finger. I've been coloring. If you subscribe to the stamp and die of the month, you're going to get the stamp as well as the coordinating dies. They are a super great value as a subscription, and we do offer the option to skip a month if you like, but why would you ever skip? They're always so cute, aren't they? So there we have our stamp of the month. Now let's dive into our monthly kit. This is our Crafty Courtyard kit. It's the monthly subscription kit. The theme this month is Just a Note. And this reoccurs every month unless you skip a month or you cancel, and you can cancel at any time. But this card kit is packed full of supplies that are going to last you forever. This is the postcard. I always include a postcard that you can use to make a card with, or you can keep it. It has everything that's inside the kit listed on the back, as well as the color palette that we used, and where you can join our Facebook group where you can get inspired by others' creations, or you can share yours as well. I'll go over the cardstock first really quickly. This month you get 6 pieces of 8.5 by 11 colored cardstock that are 100-pound cover weight, and 2 of our 110-pound white ice rink cardstock pieces. We've got stop sign red, streetlight yellow, the park green, middle school blue, barbershop blue, and sidewalk gray, which is a beautiful neutral gray. It's like the perfect gray tone. Each and every month since we began our kits, we give you a project bag. This is a zippered mesh bag. They're good and sturdy. They'll hold the items in your kit. They're good for crafting on the go or just keeping supplies in. Whatever you like. Oh, we've got lots of fun goodies inside the bag. So let's jump in and see what we get this month. We've got a full 6x6 paper pad. So this has 24 sheets. They're double-sided, but there's 24 different patterns. So you get 2 of each pattern. I'll just go through the patterns here. For this kit, I wanted some nice basic patterns that you can use so easily in all your card making. So we've got plaids and polka dots, different color variations. We have some zigzags here, some diagonal stripes, some 2-colored chevrons. We've got a little diamond pattern, a colorful grid, some diagonal stripes, some triangles. We've got multicolored stripes. We've got some colorful chevrons, some large polka dots, and then we start all over again and you get another set of each of those patterns. We've got an exclusive sequin mix. Check out those beautiful colored sequins. We've got big spiral sequins. We've got some little tiny flowers in there. And we've also got some smaller sequins, all in the colors that are inside the kit. We've got some envelope seals. These say sending smiles. Oh, the glittery enamel dots. I always love these. They add just the right amount of sparkle and shine to your projects. I'm gonna grab a piece of the red cardstock to show you the stencil a little better. So we've just got a fun pattern with some circles and some lines throughout. That's going to be fun to create with. You get a 6x6 embossing folder. This one is called Basket because it looks like a basket weave. So that's going to give a really fun texture for the background of your cards. And last but certainly not least, we have our exclusive 6x6 stamp set. So we have all these nice postal elements like envelope, mailbox. Look at this kind of old-fashioned mailbox here, some bundled up packages, a stamp. We've got a little floral corner here, and they all have like kind of wispy floral elements to them. And the coordinating dies. And we've also given you the dies to cut out the sentiments. So that's fun as well. Thanks so much again for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed taking a closer look at the Pink & Main November 2022 new subscription products. You can check these out and subscribe over at pinkandmain.com. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.